She's known as gujjuunicorn as well.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, how's everyone? I hope everyone's doing good. And yes, I am back with another video, and today's video is following someone else's makeup step. So yes, today's video is on this look right here. It is inspired by MRUNAL Panchal's look that she have created on her YouTube channel. She's known as gujjuunicorn as well. I've chose one of her video from a channel itself. So I'll be linking her video as well down. So I am in love with how she did it, and I don't know if I did as good as her. So yes, I hope you love it. And so yes, without further ado, let's just quickly get started. Yes, let's start. So I am here. Let me just quickly start the video. And also, she is talking in Gujarati in this video. It was a Gujarati talking video for her channel. So I will be trying to understand that, and yeah, let's just start. So the first thing she is going to do is prep her face, so and also do her base. So let's just do that. How much I love watching MRUNAL's makeup videos or makeup posts that she does on Instagram. I just love it because she is experimenting all the time, and I love to do that too. So yes, the whole base is done. Now let's just she's doing her brows next, so let's just do that. Of course, I do not have the same products that she has, so I am trying to do the same thing with my products, like the products that I have. A few things in the video that I have never done before, so I am doing it for the first time, and I'm very nervous. With the brows, she have done her eyeshadow, so let's just do that. So for eyeshadow, I am using, she have used the brown shade from her palette, so I am using this one right here from the palette that I have. Yeah, so eyeshadow is done. Now she is doing her blush, so let's just do that. This is my blush. I'm using Sugar. Blush is done. What's next, MRUNAL? So the next thing she is doing is cut crease, and let me just tell you, I've never done that before. It's my first time doing cut crease, and I've heard it is difficult. Let's just try. Let's see. If you are watching this video, then you know that I've done it pretty decently. So yeah, let's just do that. Concealer. Applying it on crease till the middle. Cut crease. What next? Now she's making an outline for her liner. Let's just do that. Not bad, right? I have done it pretty similar. The things I've done it for the first time. I don't know, but you all tell me if it looks similar. And let's proceed. The next thing she's doing is mascara. Let's do mascara. Next thing is lipstick. So what is lips? So let's do our lips. She said highlighter pan baki chhe. So let's apply highlighter. Okay, so uska final look tha, that's what she said. I just set my hair and then I'll show you the final look, okay? Let me know in the comment box below how do you like the video and also the look. I hope you loved it, and if yes, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.